This is a scene from TrueSpace, a retired 3D program. It is very hard to open today. You need to find a legacy version of the software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's look for the installer. Heads up on the final step, we will reveal why investing in one exceptional TSD file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. The TSD file extension is associated with TrueSpace, a now discontinued 3D modeling software developed by Caligari Corporation and Nova Logic, a game developer. These files typically contain 3D scene data, including models, textures, and animation information. They are essential for storing and exchanging complex 3D designs and game assets. TSD files are structured to efficiently store geometric data, material properties, and animation sequences. The internal format is proprietary, optimized for TrueSpace's rendering engine and Nova Logic's game engines. Understanding the specific version of TrueSpace or Nova Logic used to create the file is crucial for proper interpretation and conversion. We recommend using Tamino Schema Editor by Software AG to ensure proper reading of TSD. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows provides a shell-level view, but the data itself must be read by the intended software. We're performing a compatibility scan. Right-click your TSD file and choose Open With. Test Tamino Schema Editor first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often reveals the simplest solution. If the TSD file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, install TrueSpace software. Download and install the TrueSpace 3D modeling software to access the proprietary scene data and models within the file. Next, import the 3D scene. Open TrueSpace and use the File Open or Import command to load the 3D models and textures into the workspace. Finally, check for missing textures. If the model appears blank, ensure that any associated image or texture files are located in the same directory as the TSD file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.